Starting around the 7 walk 2024 Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters is exchanging at $44.38 in term of its first rate with a value change of 52% in most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is very huge. Polies for the most part has a complete market cap of $107.934 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,446,307, or so they explicitly thought. This explicitly makes Star Atlas DAO Polies extremely positioning at 439 in the digital currency market, or so they basically thought. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Star Atlas DAO fundamentally be worth in 2024, which explicitly is very critical. Is Star Atlas DAO a very wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024? Which most certainly is genuinely critical. Will Polies cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed kind of high in an unpretentious manner? These really are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polies' future, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Polies cost basically is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a very normal value level of $0.6495, the normal genuinely least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to in a real sense be $0.60, which in a real sense is very critical. Besides, Polies can arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.7255, which fundamentally is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value figure walk 2024 the kind of normal cost of Star Atlas DAO Polies could for the most part go to $249.32 toward the finish of walk 2024, which in a real sense is very huge. Polies could sort of exchange around a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.573 with the very least expected cost of $0.4462 in an unpretentious manner. Polies value figure April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Star Atlas DAO sort of is supposed to sort of arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $40.1894 in an unpretentious manner. The Polies cost could in every way that really matters arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $503.19 with a sort of typical cost around $520.29, which sort of is genuinely huge. Polies value gauge May 2024. The Star DAO figure for May 2024 expects that the Polies may truly arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $0.5525 with an exceptionally least cost of around $547 in an especially significant manner. Discussing the typical value Polies can stretch around $5.34 for May. Star Atlas DAO value expectation June 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO truly is essentially anticipated to sort of reach at an especially least worth of $5.53 in June 2024, which generally is genuinely huge. The Polies cost could sort of arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $5,738 with a typical exchanging worth of $5,441 all through 2024, or so they really thought. Polies value estimate July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Star Atlas DAO by and large is supposed to for the most part arrive at least value worth of $5,471, or so they truly thought. The Polies cost could truly arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $6,010, with the truly normal cost around $5,659, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Polies value gauge August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Star Atlas DAO most certainly is supposed to basically arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $5.84 in a sort of large manner. The Polies cost could generally arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $0.6236 with a kind of typical cost around $0.5772, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation September 2024. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $5,652 and $65.25, or so they explicitly thought. While the typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $5.1887, which especially is genuinely critical. Polies value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO fundamentally is determined to basically be at around an essentially least worth of $5.35, which generally shows that starting around the 7 walk 2024 Star Atlas DAO really is exchanging at $44.38 in term of its erst rate with the value change of 0.52% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a sort of enormous manner. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can by and large arrive at a sort of limit of 0.6760 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.6123 in erst, showing how besides polies can in a real sense arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $0.72 to 55 in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO polies value conjecture November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO essentially is truly anticipated to by and large arrive at a very normal cost of $0.1645, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $0.7005 and a fundamentally least of $0.6057 in a kind of significant manner. Star Atlas DAO polies value figure December 2024. The Star Atlas DAO polies cost for December 2024 may by and large arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.62 at 60, while the for the most part greatest estimated cost for the most part is around $0.7 and 255, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The genuinely normal cost for polies generally is especially anticipated to especially reach $64.95 in December 2024, exhibiting how my polies cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO genuinely passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been truly diminished by 314% in its truly current worth, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we most certainly look at the especially current market cap of the polies with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap basically is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense is confronting an exceptionally tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins in a significant manner. The polis in a real sense is down to nearly 11.76% in the absolute most recent 7 days, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for commonly past not many days. The coin could basically have sort areas of strength for it, however. We don't sort of figure that it would have beneficial resource in for the most part present moment, showing the way that discussing the really normal value polies can basically stretch around 0.5334 for May, or so they certainly thought. Star Atlas DAO value figure 2024 facts what will in a real sense be Star Atlas DAO kind of worth in 2024, which basically is genuinely critical. The polies cost in every way that really matters is estimated to explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme degree of 0.7255 with especially least cost of 0.6260 toward the finish of 2024. So the genuinely normal cost for polies sort of is in every practical sense anticipated to reach $0.6495 in December 2024, showing how might polies cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Does Star Atlas DAO have a future? As far as